is where we have a Honda Z50A. It didn't come out of the attic, but it came out of the garage. I received this back in 1978, so approximately 43 years ago. And it's an interesting, robust, sturdy little motorcycle, or dirt bike. It doesn't have a monoshock suspension. It actually has two shocks in the back and two shocks in the front. It has a single cylinder, overhead cam engine, 2-valve. It is 4-stroke. This is a motorcycle that has 3 gears, and it's different than other motorcycle shift patterns in that it is basically 1, 2, 3 down, as opposed to 1 down and however many up for another motorcycle gearbox. Is that it does have a front and rear tail light that runs off of, I believe, a magneto. It has an ignition switch. It's on in the center and off on either side. And then, if you're able to see this, this little panel comes off. And the one tool that it has is actually the tool to be able to remove the spark plug from the engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, so you shouldn't have to do that very often as compared with maybe a 2-stroke engine. So it's not inclined to get as dirty. But that's the spark plug location. And this panel goes right back on pretty neatly. And here's the gear shifter. Here's a foot peg. And on the other side would be a rear brake pedal. And the front brake is located right here. This is how you go about starting it. We're going to see whether this little dirt bike starts back up. We open up the gas tank. I'll open the valve on the side here to put gas into the carburetor, and then down here at the very bottom is a choke. This gets turned to on, so it's now the run. And so we'll crank it and see what happens. So it runs right now. And the choke is on, so it's running a little bit fast. So now I have it on half choke. You wouldn't be able to see me turn the lights on because it's rather bright outside. But once it finally gets settled out, we can actually take a little quick ride in the street and see how it turns out. Still a little bit cool, but we'll take it for a run. And here's first gear. Classic Attic Toys.